Hi, I'm Pat from VMOD 3D Library. Today I'm going to show you how to apply VMOD's ZFAB files in CLO. Let's take a look at the final render. Before we begin, let me briefly explain about VMOD 3D Library. VMOD 3D Library is the world's largest digital fabric library, providing thousands of hyper-realistic, customizable 3D fabric materials. VMOD's digital fabrics offer high-quality textures and accurate physical properties. Every digital fabric asset is provided in ZFAB for CLO and Marvelous Designer, SBSAR for Substance 3D, and PNG files for other renderers. Today, we'll be using ZFAB files, created by VMOD's professional team. VMOD's ZFAB files are made with ready-to-render settings and accurate physical properties. Here's today's fabric. ZFAB file is compatible with CLO and Marvelous Designer. It comes with various data and it's easy to use. ZFAB file includes PBR texture maps such as base color, normal, displacement, roughness, metalness, and opacity maps, and accurate physical properties. It incorporates detailed texture parameters set by our professional team, ensuring effortless and remarkably realistic rendering. Now, let's open the CLO project file. I'll show you how to import a ZFAB file and apply it. Simply drag and drop to import the fabric. You can select the desired patterns in 2D window and apply them easily through drag and drop, or click the Assign button. Occasionally, the mesh may appear transparent like this when you apply fabrics. This occurs because VMOD's ZFAB files are created using the PNG file format. You can easily resolve this by clicking Quality Render, or you can just run the rendering to see it's actually opaque. Please remember to check the final render to see the accurate representation of your work, as rendering is the final step in the process. As I mentioned earlier, ZFAB file contains accurate physical properties of real fabrics. Of course, you can use it as a material solely for rendering, but today we're going to take it a step further, by simulating its physical properties. Now that we've applied the fabric to the pattern using the ZFAB file, let's fine-tune the particle distance and run the simulation. I'll set it to 10. Do you see how it changes? If you make an actual garment using this fabric, it'll look just like this. As more and more companies are converting physical samples to digital samples to streamline their workflow, accurate physical properties of fabrics are highly important. However, we also create original digital outfits independent of real-world connections. In such cases, you have the freedom to craft your own unique style by combining various fabric textures and physical properties. Let's find out how to do it. It's very simple. Click on the applied fabric and adjust the various parameters in the property editor. Let's change the color. When modifying the color, it's important to consider that the existing texture's color can influence the color you want to change. To address this, check the desaturation option. Afterwards, you can conveniently use the color picker to replace it with your desired color. Let's try rendering with the changed color. I think it looks fine. When working with patterned or printed fabrics, changing the color of a specific area can be challenging, compared to changing the color of the entire part. So, I'll show you how to selectively modify the colors of specific areas in ZFAB's base color texture. First, click on the imported camouflage fabric and click Open Texture Editor to the right of the applied base color texture in the property editor. Then, the editor window will pop up. Click Color Switch to activate. You'll see the options that you can adjust. This pattern has 4 colors, so put 4 in number. Then, the colors will automatically picked up. If you change these color chips, the color of the fabric will also change. I'm going to change it to blue, my favorite color. If you've finished changing colors, click Apply and close to apply. Now, let's modify the scale and position of the applied fabric. Press T or click this icon to activate Edit Texture, and then click the desired 2D pattern to resize it according to your preferences. If you want to change it with an exact number, simply right-click and drag, and put the desired number in the transform window. I think the pattern of the detail panel part on the right side looks too repetitive. Let me just change the position a little bit and finish. I think it looks better. Let's go straight to the final render. I think it looks great now. As I mentioned in the intro, VMOD's ZFAB files include meticulously adjusted texture parameters, fine-tuned by VMOD's professional team. This is really helpful to beginners. Creating fur materials in CLO is not as easy as it sounds. There are a lot of different parameters, and the only way to see how they work is checking the render window. If you have a project that you need to finish quickly, utilizing VMOD's ZFAB files is a great way to do it. You can use as it is, or you can easily create your own fur material in no time by adjusting the length and density to your liking. Today, we learned about utilizing VMOD's ZFAB files in CLO. If you have questions, feel free to leave comments below. We'll be more than happy to answer. We're going to make more videos about how to use digital fabrics in various 3D software programs, so don't miss out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel to stay updated on our upcoming contents. I'll see you in the next video.